Welcome back to another baking video, but this time with my little sister. Let's get started. So over here I was just chopping up the chocolate before Ameena came along, so my little sister, and that was just put into a bowl so that I could use that later.
Okay, so what we have right here is some flour. We're weighing flour and cocoa powder. And then afterwards we put some butter into the bowl, and then we put white sugar and brown sugar and mix them and whisk them with the whisker.
With the whisk?
Yes, whisk. Afterwards, we sieved some cocoa powder and some flour into a bowl.
And try not to make it too messy like we did.
Yes. Neatness is the key. And then we added some baking soda to the cocoa powder and flour. Then afterwards, we added the cocoa powder, flour and soda and put it with the brown sugar, white sugar and butter. Then we whisked them.
We mixed them all and it became a nice dough.
Yes, a very nice dough.
Instead of the full amount of sugar, we used 80 grams each of the white and brown sugar. At this point, I'm going to say a quick thank you to my friend Sofia for sending me this recipe. So after that's all done, you can put in the chocolate chips, and then we started rolling them out, didn't we?
Yeah, we rolled them out into little bowls.
Balls.
And then we just placed them. I made the big ones.
When they're in the oven, if you notice that they're doming a little bit more than you'd like, just take them out and drop them from a height, so about a few inches from the surface, and it will just kind of knock out the air and make sure that they get that cookie shape. As always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.